Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Sketch. Sketch is a tool for creating any kind of digital art like logo or YouTube thumbnail. So in this video, I am going to show you how I create my YouTube thumbnails using this tool, Sketch. Are you ready for the tutorial? Okay, let's start. But before I am going to start, I would like to show you first the thumbnails that I created using this software. And of course, we have to start by opening the app or software Sketch. Second is import a photo from desktop to the software. This is how to create a shape. This is how to change the size of our shape to fit the YouTube thumbnail. The size that I use is 3830 by 2116. Put the shape on top of the image. We have to make the photo and the shape coincide with each other. By doing this, we have to crop our picture. To crop the picture, select crop and then finish editing. Now this is already the size of our YouTube thumbnail. To create another rectangle for the text that I am going to write in the thumbnail. In this box, you can type the text that you want to appear in the thumbnail. This is how to change the color of the shape. And this is how you are going to write the text. And this is how you can change the font style, the size, and the color of the text. At this part, I just need to separate the three elements which are the basic in creating a YouTube thumbnail. These are the three basic elements in creating a thumbnail. We have the text, the bar, and the image. And now let us create groups from these three elements. First group is the text and the title bar. To make a group, you have to click both and then select group. And we name this group as group bar title. The purpose of creating this group is to easily put one element at the center of the other. To complete our thumbnail, we have to put all elements in one group. To make a group, select all the elements that you want in a group together, then Command G or select the group icon. Now this is our thumbnail, and to export this thumbnail, you just follow these steps. This is a thumbnail that I exported from Sketch. But YouTube thumbnail requires at most 2 megabytes size of the thumbnail, and this is how we are going to change the size of the thumbnail. Just follow these steps to make the size smaller. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on how to make thumbnail using Sketch, just write in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial and cooking videos.